Welcome to the Augusta model. Come on in, folks. We are just finishing up this fantastic home, getting it ready for the new owners who are closing today. This is the Augusta model, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,402 square foot of fantastic living. As always with AB Homes, they got to pick a lot of their different selections. I think the flooring they picked and the color of the cabinets and the kitchen countertops, I think they did a fantastic job. The folks who built this house, they didn't do a whole lot of upgrades. They were really laid back and they didn't have a huge list of desires, but there was a couple of things that they really were interested in having. One of them was this large screened-in porch. We recently changed the design of our rear porches. We transitioned to a different screen style where it's basically floor to ceiling screens. So it really, in my opinion, brings the outdoors in. So another thing we really like doing for our clients with AB Homes is providing a full appliance package. A lot of builders, they will give you a dishwasher, maybe a range and a microwave. Most of them do not provide a refrigerator. However, we do. So we figure, you know, if somebody's buying a brand new house, why not throw in the refrigerator? It just makes sense. We always advertise that AB Homes is a turnkey builder. And how could we be a turnkey builder if we didn't have a refrigerator in here? And at AB Homes, we gotta have a fireplace. Most of you are used to seeing our wine rack built in over here. These folks, they don't drink wine, but they do like to have a little bit of area to sit and pay their bills, and a little computer desk here. Just another thing that AB Homes can do. We make the house yours, so little changes like that are nothing for us, but they mean everything to the person we're building the house for. This is one of the largest primary bedrooms that we have in any of our houses. A lot of people say it's too big. I think it's just right. We've seen people set this up as a bedroom, have a little sitting area here. We've had people set up a reading nook in the little bump out over here. There's just so much space here and so many ways to get creative. One of the things I think that really makes this house a top seller for AB Homes. This home here, they upgraded to a tile shower. I really love the accent tile that they picked, and it went in the shower niche as well. They have the big soaker tub, and we always love to see our homeowners, when they see this area finished and they sit down in there and stretch out, and they're like, man, I can't believe how much space there is in this tub. Thank you so much for checking out this video on the Augusta model. I'm Dan Lawson with AB Homes, your go-to resource for custom rural building in Suffolk and Isle of Wight County and the surrounding areas. If you would like to learn more about this particular floor plan or any of the others that we have, I would love the opportunity to speak to you. You can find us on the web at abhomesva.com. Reach me on my personal cell phone, 757-435-9900. We'd love the opportunity to talk to you about building your dreams in your new home.